Okay guys, welcome to the tutorial on how to make proper songs with Suno. First things first, context is very important. If you want to make lyrics that hit, if you want to make lyrics that are meaningful to you or to someone else, you should have the right context. So let's start with Stasher. I just had a lot of context and information that I gave to Stasher, talking about everything that we do. And now say let's make the lyrics in Gemini, and then we place them in Suno, giving style. You don't use any copyrighted names or something like that. So research everything about Stasher slash Amir based on Google search and the context that I have given you. And mostly like your social profile, stuff like that can be read and understood. Create a detailed persona of him, and then create lyrics about his journey, um, spoken from his own perspective in the style of Lijpe. Also includes a prompt for style slash music and make it sound like a big and catchy Lijpe song. Um, Avoid the use of Lijpe. Describe his style. This, this is how you can create a prompt. And I'm skipping one important part, that is the context. So above here, I gave a lot of context. We did this and that. And based on that, I want to create the lyrics. Now you also have a chat where you have, if you have all the context there, you can make any kind of song. And we're going to practice by making two different kinds. One will make like a Lijpe song, which is like rough Dutch R&B or like rough Dutch rap, straight up gangster rap and stuff, aggressive, purposeful, conscious. And we'll make maybe a 1950s soul version. So you can see how the same context can make any style of song or any kind of use case you can have for the song. So it's now doing all of this video brief by pausing it. Here we have the architect of modern world, raised in Rotterdam, studied communication. So beginning skier, navigated the world, ecosystem, the empire, lyrics, architects of the state, Lijpenstijl. Rotterdam, je weet, ze vragen hoe ik het deed. Ze zien de oeroes, ze zien de views, maar ze zagen niet de nachten dat ik brak was. Luister. Kijk, ik kom van de bodem, man. Ik had geen plan B. Alleen een visie in mijn hoofd en een charge op een PC. Ik moest offeren om te winnen. Oké, sacrifice to dominate, man. Ik voel hem nu al. Dit is hard. Dit is hard. Hier hebben we vibe. En die stoppen in de stijl. And here we have the lyrics. So we take all the lyrics and we add it in here, lyrics. And I think actually the vibe is talking about the lyrics itself. So I'll go up here and give this lyrics. So I'll make it very clear. And then here, the style, we have a separate prompt. That is below. Genre, Dutch hip-hop, orchestral, moods, and then a day the life of a crypto millionaire. This video has been used and referenced to make this song possible. So we need to avoid Lijpe, Boef, Ismo, similar to. We need to avoid this and then only have the description. And here we will select the male voice. In advanced options, make a few song titles, generate 10 song titles for this rap song. And then we can pick out a good one that also fits the context and fits everything that's going on. Okay, and now let's go and check out the music. So we input the lyrics with the lyrics that we created in Gemini. We input the genre and the create. I picked Fundering. But I just put sacrifice to dominate because it was from the previous one. And we'll have a quick listen. This one speaks more to me, so let's play this one.
Yeah, Rotterdam to Dubai. Je weet, ze vragen hoe ik het deed, ze zien de oeroes, ze zien de views. Maar ze zagen niet de nachten dat ik brak was. Luister. Kijk, ik kom van de bodem man, ik had geen plan B. Alleen een visie in mijn hoofd en de charts op mijn PC. Ik moest offeren om te winnen, sacrifice tot dominate. Nu rennen we die game en die cirkel is compleet. Hey, ik zocht naar die vrijheid, niet naar status of een klok. Nu bouwen we systemen, elke business op een blok. Van crypto naar de face, we pakken alles mee. Zet het aan de knoppen, Weblyfe verbouwt de snee. We bouwen kastelen in de lucht. De fundering is beton. Ze dachten dat ik blufte toen ik net begon. Straks je kapitaal, broeder, dit is meer dan een naam. We zetten stappen in stilte, laten cijfers springen voor de fout.
Okay, here we have this other one. A little bit more eerie.
Yeah. Rotterdam to Dubai. Je leert. Ze vragen hoe ik het deed. Ze zien de oeren, ze zien de views. Maar ze zagen niet de nachten dat ik brak was. Luister. Kijk, ik kom van de bodem man. Ik had geen plan B, alleen een visie in mijn hoofd en de charts op mijn PC. Ik moest offeren om te winnen, sacrifice tot dominee. Nu rennen we die game en die cirkel is compleet. Ik zocht naar die vrijheid, niet naar status of een klok. Nu bouwen we systemen en elke business op een blok. Van crypto naar een fix, we pakken alles mee. Zee het aan de knoppen, Weblyfe verbouwt de snee. We bouwen kastelen in de lucht, maar de fundering is beton. Ze dachten dat ik blufte toen ik net begon. Stage kapitaal, broeder, dit is meer dan een naam. We zetten stappen in stilte, laten cijfers spreken.
Okay, very interesting. And now you can go and move and create more of them, adjust them, and even add prompts, remix them, all of that. You can hear add prompts and change them as well. So I'll download both of these and just ask Emir what version he likes more. But this is how you do it. This is the game.